Thank you for creating time to be here. Today I'm going to show you how you can get targeted leads from the United States. And if you're new to the channel, here we help you get more clients and grow your business. So let's jump in so that I show you how you can do that. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. I'll always get you some value. So let's get started. Right, so I'm going to register here. Create an account. When you register, you're going to get a free trial, so you don't have to worry about committing upfront. And once you are satisfied that this works for you and this is what you want, that is when now you can go ahead and commit. So these are the items and the features that you're going to get from the platform. It is a robust platform, trust me. And it gives you a lot of value. So let's see how we can get leads from the United States. So you're gonna come, and then the next item we want to do is we want to check out B2B contacts. For instance, our target is United States, and assuming we are targeting a specific industry in the United States. So for instance, we are looking at the banking sector, or we are looking at building materials, or we are targeting, our product is targeting computer hardware or construction for that matter. Let me pick construction. And then probably you are targeting businesses that are only with one individual. Myself here, solopreneur, or you're targeting businesses that have 1 to 10 people. You're going to select the number of people in that company. For instance, you're targeting solopreneur. See the number of contacts that you can get out of that industry alone. And then the next thing that you're going is to create a report and then download that. It's going to be a detailed report that gives you the number, it gives you the business, gives you the email, and then you can be able to reach out to these people. If you are targeting another industry, say automotive, you click on automotive industry, and then you're looking for a company that probably has a size of 1 to 10 employees, click on that, and again you're going to get a lot of data from that. Remember, these are B2B companies. And also, if you're looking for, let's pick another industry, maybe gambling and casino, you want myself only, the same thing is gonna give you the magic. That is what you can get. On and on, depending on the industry you're targeting. If you're targeting insurance industry, if you're targeting libraries, if you're targeting packaging and containers, I mean, they are endless. There are a lot of any industry you want, you're going to find it here. The other way that you're going to get contacts in the United States is B2C. This is where you're targeting local businesses. So you come here, find B2C local businesses. The same concept applies. Our target is United States. This one gives you more refined data because it is asking you a question. Yes, you want in the United States. Are you targeting a specific region? So you choose a specific region that you are targeting. Maybe Kentucky, Texas, any of this. You choose any that works with you. West Virginia, for instance, I'm gonna choose that. And then even goes narrower. It asks you where in West Virginia. It gives you a lot of options when it comes to West Virginia. As you can see, it gives you the addresses, specific addresses. See all of that? Maybe you're looking at Ritchie County, and then it's gonna ask you, what are you looking? What type of local elements are you looking at? For instance, probably you're looking at real estate. And then you're going to search real estate. So it's gonna give you very targeted live data. Remember, this is not a database. This is live data, and you can actually trace these people from the ground because their number is here, even their website and all of that. So if, for instance, I save this lead, I'm able to see their actual, see this is their website, this is their email addresses, their phone number, on, and all of these are very targeted lists in West Virginia and specific places. For instance, let's check if this is for real. So we're gonna open this, we see whether it's, there you go, there is a website. It gives you all the details. These are people in the real estate. Very targeted, very clean information to help you get more clients. So these are the main components that you may want to use when you're targeting the United States, either B2B or B2C, and then you can even narrow down to specific places in the United States. The other options that you can use is you can also extract leads live from LinkedIn. You can use this option to extract leads from LinkedIn, or you can also use this option where you are extracting from websites. And let's see how this one works. You can also check how you can get daily registered domains and leads information. For instance, let's check this one. So how this one works is it gives you all the data and information of websites that have been registered historically, and specifically in this case, if you're looking at targeting the previous day. And remember, our focus is still in the United States. For instance, today we have that 1,279 websites that have been registered. So these are freshly registered websites. These are people who are looking for services for their businesses, and they are very prime leads. So you can, any day you can download for any day that you want. It gives you all the information regarding that business, and then from there you can pick the conversation with the owner of the business or the person that you're targeting. So this is a very, very good tool to have in your bucket. So that's all I have for you. If you found this useful, or if you need any clarification, I'm always available for you. Share widely and support us by subscribing and liking. It's goodbye for now.